Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Fantastic cottage decor is a beautiful decorating style that blends the timeless charm of vintage interiors with the cozy warmth of cottage living. It creates a relaxed, romantic, and welcoming atmosphere through soft colors, floral patterns, wooded furniture, delicate fabrics, and charming antique-inspired accessories. The beauty of this style lies in its imperfections and personal touches, making a home feel nostalgic, comfortable, and full of character. Vintage cottage decor does not come from one specific historical period. Instead, it developed by combining influences from traditional European cottages, Victorian interiors, English country homes, and later 20th century vintage decorating. Early cottages were practical homes furnished with simple wooden furniture, handmade textiles, pottery, baskets, and natural materials. These elements became an important foundation for modern cottage decorating. Victorian influence. During the 19th century, floral fabrics, decorative wallpaper, lace, embroidered textiles, ornate mirrors, and detailed furniture became popular. Many of these romantic details are still associated with vintage interiors. English country influence. Traditional English country homes emphasized comfort, floral patterns, mismatched furniture, layered textiles, and a lived-in appearance. This helped shape the cozy and collected character of cottage decor. The rise of vintage style during the 20th century, people increasingly appreciated older furniture and household objects for their craftsmanship and nostalgic character. Rather than replacing everything with new pieces, decorators began mixing old and new. Shabby connection. In the late 20th century, Shabby popularized painted furniture, distressed finishes, soft colors, floral fabrics, and an intentionally aged appearance. This idea strongly influenced the modern vintage cottage aesthetic. Modern interpretation. Today, vintage cottage decor combines this historical influence with contemporary comfort. It celebrates antique-inspired pieces, handmade details, natural materials, and nostalgic decoration while keeping the home practical and inviting. Vintage cottage decor is a modern celebration of the past, bringing together generations of cottage traditions and vintage design in a relaxed and romantic way. Here are some decorating tips for vintage cottage decor. First, choose a soft color palette. Start with cream, warm white, dusty rose, chess cream, pale blue, or muted yellow. These colors create the gentle and nostalgic foundation of the style. Next, add on statement with the speed. A weathered cabinet, antique dresser, old wooden table, or vintage mirror can become the focal point of a room. Use floral fabrics generously. Small-scale floral patterns on cushions, curtains, chair covers, and table linens instantly bring a cottage-inspired character. Next, mix different furniture styles. Don't worry about matching every piece. Combine painted wood, natural, timber, wicker, and antique-style furniture creates a collected appearance. Decorate with lace details. Lace curtains, runners, dowlies, and pillow trims can add a delicate and romantic vintage touch. Display pretty crockery. Arrange vintage-inspired platters, thick cups, bowls, and ceramic pitchers on open shelves or inside glass front cabinets. Use distressed wood. Furniture with gently worn edge and aged paint can make the room feel as though it has developed its character naturally over time. Bring in handmade touches like crochet blankets, embroidered cushions, knitted throws, and handmade baskets. Add warmth and individuality. Create a cozy reading corner. Place a comfortable vintage chair beside a small wooden table. Then add a soft throw and a reading lamp. Decorate with old-fashioned artwork like botanical prints, countryside paintings, floral illustrations, and vintage-style portraits can enhance the nostalgic atmosphere. Use antique-style lighting. Choose lamps with fabric shades, wall sconces, or candelabras with an aged finish for a warm and romantic glow. Add wicker and rattan like baskets, storage boxes, chairs, and trays made from natural oven materials complement the relaxed cottage character. Display fresh flowers. Place seasonal flowers in ceramic jugs, glass bottles, enamel pitchers, or small vintage vases. Layer your textiles. Combine curtains, cushions, rugs, throws, and table linens can complement cheap patterns rather than using just on fabric. Include vintage kitchen accessories, enamel containers, wooden utensils, ceramic jars, old-fashioned stills, and decorative tins can give a kitchen an authentic cottage feel. Make shelves decorative. Mix books, ceramics, small plants, framed artwork, candles, and vintage objects. Instead of filling shelves with identical items. Choose aged-looking metals like brass, copper, antique bronze, and softly aged iron can add warmth and an old-world character. Keep imperfections visible. Small scratches, faded finishes, and sign of age can actually enhance the style. The goal is charm rather than perfection. Use curtains with character like floral cotton, gingham, lace trimmed, or lightly ruffled curtains can make windows feel softer and more cottage-like. Avoid over-decorating. Vintage work best when every object has breathing space. Select meaningful pieces instead of covering every surface. Create a vintage entryway. Add a small wooden bench, antique mirror, open baskets, and a vase of flowers to make entrance feel welcoming. Bring nature indoors, like potted herbs, trailing plants, dead flowers, and branches can connect the interior with the countryside. Use vintage-style storage like wooden crates, wicker baskets, fabric boxes, and old cabinets can provide practical storage while contributing to the decoration. Combine patterns carefully, like florals, gingham, stripes, and small checks can work together beautifully when they share similar colors. Add sentimental objects like family photographs, inherited dishes, old books, handmade crafts, or meaningful souvenirs can make the home feel personal and authentic. Keep the atmosphere relaxed. Vintage cottage decor should feel comfortable and lived in rather than like a museum. Choose pieces that invite you to sit, relax, and enjoy the space. Use natural wooden accents like wooden shelves, cutting boards, tools, beams, and furniture can balance softer floral and pastel elements. Add a cozy jug, a fitted traditional style jug or simple oven jug can visually warm up wooden or tiled floors. Create a beautiful mantle or console display. Combine a vintage mirror, candlesticks, small framed artwork, flowers, and ceramics for an effortlessly collected arrangement. Let the home tell a story. The most successful vintage cottage interiors will collected over time mix old-fashioned details with everyday comforts to create a home that feels personal, warm, and timeless. Try vintage wallpaper. Choose delicate floral, botanical, tile, or small geometric wallpaper to create a charming old-fashioned backdrop. Use painted furniture. Softly painted cabinets, bedside tables, and chairs in cream, shades, or pale blue can give the room a romantic cottage character. Decorate with vintage mirrors. An aged wooden, brass, or onyx mirror can make a cottage room feel brighter while adding decorative interest. Add a small chatting desk, a traditional wooden desk with a vintage lamp, stationery, and a small vase can create a lovely old walled corner. Display collections together. Group similar objects such as teacups, ceramic pitchers, old books, or small frames to create a crowded vintage display. Use gingham accents. Gingham contains cushions, tablecloths, or chair covers can add a simple countryside feeling without overwhelming the room. Choose soft lighting like warm lamps, candles, and small decorative lights. Create the cozy atmosphere that makes vintage cottage spaces feel inviting. Decorate the kitchen with open shelving. Use open wooden shelves to display pretty dishes, mugs, jars, baskets, and small plates. Vintage chic Cottage Decor is a charming interior style that combines the nostalgic beauty of vintage furnishings with the soft, cozy character of a traditional cottage. It creates a home that's full, warm, romantic, lived-in, and full of personality. Key features of vintage chic Cottage Decor: soft muted colors like cream, ivory, dusty pink, shades cream, peely blue, warm beige, and soft yellow are commonly used. Use vintage furniture. Look for painted wooden cabinets, antique tables, old-fashioned chairs, dressers, and pieces with gently owned finishes. Floral patterns. Small floral prints that contains cushions, wallpaper, tablecloths, and upholstery add a classic cottage feeling. Distressed finishes, slightly chipped paint, fitted wood, and edged surfaces give furniture an authentic vintage appearance. Use romantic textiles like lace, crochet, linen, cotton, embroidered fabrics, and ruffled details work beautifully. Use antique accessories like vintage clocks, ceramic dishes, old frames, brass pieces, candlesticks, mirrors, and decorative bottles can add character. Cozy layering. Combine cushions, throws, rugs, curtains, and table linens to make the space feel comfortable rather than overly formal. Natural elements like fresh flowers, dried flowers, wicker baskets, wooden accessories, and potted plants bring a countryside touch. Mix of old and new. The style does not require everything to be genuinely antique. Modern essentials can be combined with vintage-inspired pieces. Personal details: family heirlooms, thrifted finds, handmade crochet pieces, and treasured collectibles make the room feel unique. Overall, vintage chic Cottage Decor is about creating a soft, welcoming home with an old-fashioned soul where imperfections, floral patterns, handmade details, and cherished objects become part of the decoration. Here are some more detailed tips. Bringing the outdoors inside. Use fresh flowers, giant bouquets, potted herbs, leafy plants, and botanical artwork can reinforce the countryside influence and make the interior feel fresh. Mixing vintage with modern comfort. Vintage chic does not mean sacrificing convenience. A modern sofa, comfortable mattress, contemporary appliances, or practical storage can easily coexist with vintage furniture and accessories. Personal memories matters. Use old books, family-style heirlooms, handmade crafts, and sentimental objects can make the decor feel much more meaningful than a room filled only with decorative items. Keeping the balance, the key is to create charm without clutter. Choose a few strong vintage pieces, layer them with soft textiles and natural materials, and leave enough open space for the room to remain comfortable. Overall, vintage cottage decor is less about following strict rules and more about creating a home that feels warm, nostalgic, romantic, and genuinely lived in. Vintage cottage decor is a beautiful way to bring nostalgia, comfort, and timeless charm into your home. By combining vintage furniture, soft colors, floral fabrics, natural materials, and handmade details, and cherished accessories, you can create a space that feels warm and personal. The true beauty of this style is that it does not need to be perfect. It celebrates character, history, and the simple pleasures of a cozy cottage home. Whether you decorate an entire house or add just a few vintage touches, this style can make any space feel welcoming, romantic, and full of timeless charm. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.